Hey, good morning, friends. You're joining me on my way to... Oh, wait, he's going to do some stuff? Kind of. He's awesome. Well, you're joining me on my way to Vehicle Vault this morning. There's going to be some cool cars. I always love going there because there's, like, you know, the more chill vibe, more higher-end cars. Everybody's still waking up in the morning and everything, but thanks for joining me. I will see you there, and I've got some other stuff planned for today, so I'm not sure how much of it I can film, so this might be a video, this might not be a video, we'll see. All right, so a little update. We found some friends on the way in addition to that wagon, but I think that Mercedes wagon is already almost there. He didn't get this red light, but there's a, whoo, you can see it right there, papaya. What is it called? Papaya orange, papaya spark, something like that. McLaren right there. It looks so good, but I'll film it more when we get there as well. Well, so far there's been some great cars that I saw just trying to park, so I'll showcase some of those in the inevitable car meet montage that I always have. So I'll catch back up with you afterwards. That's cool. doing? So that was the meet. That was really cool. We got a bunch of ends together. I think that was the most we've ever had. That was 6 of us. And I also, the OCD part of my brain really loved how the Elantras were parked together, the Velocers were parked together, and the Konas were parked together, and there were 2 of each, so it was like a perfect little like coincidence. I love that. I got some pictures of it. It's probably the thumbnail of the video, but now we're heading home. We have a guest over, so I gotta be there at noon. And guess what the time estimate is? Noon. So we left at the perfect time. Yeah, I'll catch back up with you guys when it's time to do car stuff again. I'll see you later. What are the odds of that? Oh my god. Alright guys, so I wanted to film what was happening, but I wasn't really allowed to. So basically what I did was I got a resonator delete along with a couple of friends from the N group. We all got it done, but we didn't get it done at the same time, so I didn't really meet anybody or anything. Just kind of did it. But yeah, the car should be sounding a lot louder now if it's in N mode, which is great. It definitely is a lot louder. I'm gonna see if I can get the clips. They were filming it when they were revving it, so I want to see if I can get those clips somehow. But let's see if I can get an exhaust clip here as we go. Okay, it's a little bit louder, yeah, for sure. Let's see here. Oh, under the underpass? I don't know. Something was there for sure. Alright, well, I'll get more clips at home or something. Or maybe here, let's see. Dude, I will never get tired of this view driving home, man. These mountains look amazing. Well, now that I think about it, they're kind of covered up in this clip. There they go. Much better now. Alright. Well, glad I was able to find an opportunity to show you that. One other thing is, I got this Yoshi guy. I wanted to get like a little, you know, like set him up here or something, but I realized that he doesn't stay there. It's not a tight enough corner like there or in the other corner for him to stay. So I guess he's gonna be chilling in the cup holder until we get home, and then will be repurposed for probably just office decoration or something like that. Oh well, I guess at least I'll see him around. But wow, look at that view, dude, with the sunset and everything. Beautiful. Here, I'll try to get an exhaust clip now. Oh wait, I gotta put it in N mode. There we go.
We're doing a U-turn. We just did a U-turn.
Hey, so you're actually joining me from my home office where I work from home and also obviously edit the videos. but I forgot to film an outro. So I've been having fun with ChatGPT, so here it goes. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're a fan of cars, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below and I'll do my best to respond. I'm always on the lookout for new content ideas, so if there's something you'd like to see on the channel, let me know. Don't forget to follow me on social media where you can stay up to date on my latest adventures with cars. Links to my socials are in the description below. All right, I got to do that. And as always, keep on driving. All right, I'll catch you guys around.